And again, here we're in the trend already. We got a sell tight area. One more opportunity to jump on the trend before we get the key reversal bar down, and we begin the larger drawdown here in this case with MSTR. NVIDIA, great stock, obviously, to study back in 2024, 2023. Constructive base here. We get the expansion down, higher lows off the bottom, really nice tight areas. You can see RMV fluctuates up and down. That's fine as long as it's staying below 10. I pretty much consider that tight. And we'll be looking for an entry, an expansion higher, or a way to accumulate versus the lows or versus the 21 EMA or 10 EMA even in this case. All right, so revisiting again, the characteristics of the best tight areas. Now that we've seen more examples, you've trained your eye a little bit more. We're looking for the top half to top 2/3 of a base. We're looking for the first 21 EMA pullback after the base breakout as well. That can be actionable, or for high momentum names, because some don't even pull back this 21 EMA, it can also be the 10 EMA. We're looking for low volume on the pullback, a shakeout or upside reversal or other priming setup just before the potential breakout through that pivot. And ideally, again, it's part of a larger theme. It's got a catalyst behind it, and it's ideally a name that can actually move. It's got a 3% ADR at least, and ideally also recent IPOs. They tend to work really well for this type of setup. All right, so now we've covered a bunch of examples. Let's talk about how to find VCPs and tight areas easily. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So again, RMV allows you to kind of objectively define whether a stock is forming a tight range or not. It basically looks back at a set of days. Typically, the default is 15 days, and defines what a normal volatility looks like. And then whenever volatility on average over recent days gets below a certain number, it will then objectively define volatility RMV on a score of 0 to 100, with 0 being very tight and 100 being price expansion. If we're getting close to 10 and below, especially 5 and below, that suggests that the tight range recently is much tighter than normal, as potentially actionable. So again, RMV compares the current volatility to the average over a certain period, a look back period. A value of 100 equals price expansion. A value of 0 equals price contraction. You can change the period. Default is 15 days. I'll tell you when I like to change this. I'll use 5 for IPOs or recent gaps. I'll talk about that a little bit more later. But just remember, low RMV, getting close to this lower band here, getting close to 0, equals low volatility and a tight range that forms.